Hi friends, Thursday morning. Very good morning to all of you. Why am I here? I'm here with a very beautiful topic which is very close to my heart. And I want to talk about what is love, right? What is love? Well, we've heard so many versions of love, right? Everybody talks about love in very different ways. For me, my personal experience, my personal definition, love is nothing but the feeling of being free. The feeling which gives you that immense power, right? In front of someone saying, I'm free with you the way I am, right? Which means I have the freedom to express, I have the freedom to act, to say what I want to say without being judged. And I know you will love me no matter what, right? No matter if I'm a bad person, no matter I end up doing something bad, you'll still love me. I think as a child, the journey of love starts with our parents, right? Because our parents, they always love us unconditionally, right? I remember when I was a kid and I used to go and beat somebody or I used to go and fight with people, my mother used to come and tell me, "Beta, come to me and tell me what happened," right? That's the first time I felt love. That I did something so bad, but my mother is like, just come here and let me hear you. Let me see what who did what to you, right? And I think as a child, that's the first time we feel the definition of love from my father. Right, when there is a lot of acceptance, when he's eating something and instead of he eating, he'll give it to me, right? Maybe that's like something like a giving, right? Giving to your children, giving to somebody you love. So I think love is all about total acceptance, the freedom of being who you are, and the feeling of giving, right? Giving consistently to the person you love in various ways, right? Whether that's something like just sending them a beautiful message of feeling gratitude with their presence, being thankful to even meet them, or just sort of giving them in terms of giving them love when they need, or can be anything, right? So I think for me, love is all about this pure emotion of feeling free with someone and feeling completely accepted, and the feeling of giving, right? Having said that, I also emphasize that when somebody loves us, you should be extremely thankful, because not everybody gets that kind of love in life. And when you get that, you value it, right? You value it every day. It's like how we plant a beautiful rose, right? A beautiful plant, how we water them every day, how we nurture them. Love and people are exactly like that in our life, right? Nurture them every single day of your life, and also never take them for granted. And most importantly, don't stop loving yourself, because self-love is also related to the right love, right? Because the more you love yourself, the more accepting or the more accepted you become for others, right? People will actually find it easier to love you. So don't make it so hard for others to love you as well. And so self-love, acceptance, and giving are three important aspects of living a beautiful life. And just practice these and just see wonders happening in your life. So thank you so much, guys. If you like my channel, you love what I talk, please do comment, and I look forward to keep interacting through this channel all the time. Thank you.